Hi, Attorney Jeffrey Randa back with another installment of 2 Minute Legal, and today I want to talk about why every driver's license restoration case is unique. There are certain similarities between all driver's license restoration cases. You have to prove that you've been sober. You have to prove that you're a safe bet to remain sober. We get all that. But an important component of each case is what I often call a person's recovery story. What's a person's background? Do you come to this with 2 DUIs, 3 DUIs, 5 DUIs, 7 DUIs, 9 DUIs? Once had a guy with 11 DUIs. We won his case the first time around because he had a good recovery story. What motivates a person to drink? Some people hit bottom after that second DUI. Some it takes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 DUIs before they hit bottom. What was it that finally made a person to decide enough is enough? It's time to put the plug in the jug and I'm not going to drink anymore. How do they do that? Some people get sober through AA. Although AA is not necessary to win a license appeal, a lot of people spend some time there. Some love it and keep going back. Some get enough of what they need and decide to never come back. Other people get sober in other ways, through counseling or treatment or secular sobriety or smart recovery or any of many other ways. So what motivated a person to quit drinking? And how he or she got sober is important. How do they stay sober? What do they do in life? What changes have they made in their life? Did they get a better job, complete a degree? How have they moved on? So what's happened since a person's quit drinking? Those things all compound to make each case different from another. So it's really inaccurate to say, oh, I know somebody had a case like mine. He had 2 DUIs. He got his license back the first time. One of our favorites is when people say, well, I know a guy who got his license back and he still drinks. Well, he BS'd his way through the process. We want no part of that. Our firm mandates sobriety. Sobriety is a requirement to win a license appeal, and we're certainly not going to pour our heart and souls into any case for somebody who's trying to BS their way through the system and pretend they're not drinking. And we will screen thoroughly to make sure any potential client of ours is someone who really has quit drinking. But at any rate, every case is unique. A person's prior record, in addition to DUIs, maybe somebody had a long prior criminal record, and a lot of that was a result of their drinking behavior. Every factor in a person's background makes his or her case unique. The factors that ultimately made him or her to decide to quit drinking make his or her case unique. And then what he or she's done since they quit drinking make his or her case unique. When you add all 3 of those things together, you can see you pretty much have an endless combination of factors that do make every case unique. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next installment of 2 Minute Legal.